In this video, we are going to prepare a potassium and calcium-rich liquid fertilizer that works well for soil health and for plants that prefer a slightly higher soil pH. This natural fertilizer helps strengthen plant cell walls, supports healthy root development, and improves flowering and fruiting. It is especially useful for vegetable gardens where crops are heavy feeders and require extra minerals. Instead of relying on chemical fertilizers, this method nourishes both the plants and the soil life. Over time, it improves soil structure, increases nutrient availability, and enhances overall plant resilience. It is simple, affordable, and made from materials that many people already have at home. To make this fertilizer, we first need rainwater, or if rainwater is not available, chlorine-free water. Rainwater is ideal because it is naturally soft, free from chemicals, and slightly acidic, which helps dissolve minerals from wood ash more effectively. It also contains dissolved oxygen that supports beneficial microbes. If rainwater is not available, chlorine-free water can be made by filling a container with tap water and leaving it uncovered for 12 to 24 hours so the chlorine can evaporate. Into this water, we will mix wood ash. The wood ash should be prepared carefully by burning a clean mixture of dry twigs, small branches, and hardwood. Only untreated, non-toxic wood should be used. No painted wood, plywood, furniture scraps, or anything containing chemicals. The wood should be burned completely until it turns into fine gray or white ash, and then allowed to cool fully. If possible, the ash should be sieved to remove any charcoal pieces, leaving only fine ash, which dissolves more easily in water. Wood ash is rich in potassium, which supports flowering, fruit formation, and overall plant strength. It also contains calcium, which helps prevent problems such as blossom end rot and supports strong cell walls. Once mixed, the water will appear slightly cloudy or gray, which is normal. Next, 1 tablespoon of molasses is added. Molasses serves as a food source for beneficial soil microorganisms. It provides simple sugars that help microbes multiply and become more active. These microbes play an important role in breaking down nutrients into forms that plants can easily absorb, improving soil life and nutrient cycling. After that, half a liter of compost tea is added. Compost tea can be made by mixing well-finished compost with rainwater or chlorine-free water. Compost tea introduces beneficial bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms into the fertilizer. These microbes help improve soil structure by binding soil particles together, which enhances aeration and water retention. They also compete with harmful pathogens, reducing the risk of soil-borne diseases. Compost tea helps unlock nutrients already present in the soil, making them more accessible to plant roots. It also supports root growth and strengthens overall plant immunity. When combined with wood ash and molasses, it creates a balanced, living fertilizer that nourishes both plants and soil. Once all the ingredients are added, the solution is mixed thoroughly. The lid is placed loosely on the container, and the mixture is left for about 24 hours. During this time, minerals from the wood ash continue to dissolve into the water, and beneficial microbes from the compost tea multiply using the molasses as a food source. The solution becomes more nutrient-rich and biologically active. After 24 hours, the fertilizer is ready to use. It can be poured around the base of plants in the vegetable garden, avoiding direct contact with leaves if possible. This liquid fertilizer provides readily available potassium and calcium for healthy growth, stronger stems, and better yields. It also improves soil health by supporting beneficial microorganisms, balancing soil pH, and increasing nutrient availability. When used occasionally and in moderation, this fertilizer helps create a healthier and more productive garden without relying on synthetic inputs.